Hello, this is James at Proinkshop. Today I'm going to show you how to install the ink system for HP officejet Pro 476D and DW 576dw, which is cartridge number 970. Here's the ink system. This ink system is named called Titanic system. That goes in the middle of the slot on the printer. First, take the original cartridge out, and it will show you the message. Cartridge problem, and then before you installing it, you have to remove the air plug. It's on here. 2, 3, 4. And installing the air filters. Comes together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slide into the slot. This is installed just like the same thing like regular cartridges. Only thing difference is it's connected with a tube, so you have to manage the tube a little bit well. Okay, put it in. And then now, when the carriage goes down, the tube will be like dressing like this way. So just close the door. It will show you the message that shows cannot fail or use cartridge installed. It's kind of like a warning message from HP that they try to scare you to let you using the HP original cartridge. So just ignore the message, press OK, and then showing like warning message 1 2 be nice, blah 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 blah. Just press OK, and the empty cartridge installed. Because I made this system with the HP original cartridge without any aftermarket chips, so it will show you empty cartridges, which is you only read the original ink level. So just if you press OK, and it's gonna be printing, and then there's ink in it, so the ink will keep flowing to the cartridge, and you can continuously printing whatever you want it. So just press OK whenever you message. Press OK, and then use cartridges message. Press OK. Low ink message, because like I said, you only read the HP original ink level. Press OK. Now it's ready to use. If you're looking at the ink level, as you see it, the punctuation mark with the triangle, this means like it already turned into the unlimited chips. So it's not gonna show you like low ink or display message. This one, it will show you the display message once, and low ink also message, display message. So when you get a display message, just press OK to resume printing it, and it will convert into a unlimited chip. So that's it. And then now you have to make this tube. Just put on the slide into here. And then if you have a scotch tapes, just put right on here. So just it won't open. Don't close to squeeze too hard, because it's gonna squeeze the tube, and then it's gonna block the ink flow into the cartridge. So, and then when you the time to refill your the ink is when you get like about 4 inch left on here. So that's the time you have to refill the ink. Make sure when you're refilling the ink, we provide the lubricator, which is a cleaning solution, but it can mix with the ink, the pigment ink, that to make the pigment ink more similar. So because there's a old ink in here, and then you preparing the new ink, there's a sludge on the middle of the bottom. I mean on the bottom, and flow up, and then it's gonna go into the print head and clog your print head. So I'd recommend to add up like 10 to 15% of lubricator, and make sure you shake them a little bit, and then before you put the ink in, put it in like 10 to 15% of the amount you're gonna add up, and shake it first, and then put your add up the ink to the to the top, and then that's it. Okay, that's about it. Just keep on using it. Enjoy your printing. Thank you. Bye bye.